your manners, Broly.
Thank you very much. I am grateful.
Why so formal? Maybe just try a thank you.
I thank you.
That's close.
I've brought the men in question, Lord Frieza.
Oh. How interesting. Are you really Saiyans? Yet that one doesn't appear to have a tail.
No, sir. Whenever he transformed into a great ape, he unfortunately lost all control over his actions. He became a danger to himself and to me, which is why I chose to cut off his tail.
And has this mighty warrior lost his mind and exploded since then?
Yes, sir, but on the rarest occasions.
You're saying this could still happen? You brought danger to my ship.
Please, there's no need to worry, I swear. Were that to happen, I can control him using this remote device which pumps a bolt of electricity through his body. It's not a strong current, but it allows me to rein him in when he acts out.
Fascinating. And what is your name, Saiyan?
Please, sir, forgive Broly.
It would seem you still have a tremendous amount of untapped battle power.
I've trained the boy well, and I'm certain he can be of great use to you and your troops, Lord Frieza.
This is indeed an unexpected bounty. Berry Blue, please offer a worthy reward to the two who found these Saiyans and brought them here. It's a fortune.
Thank you for your generosity, sir.
I'm told you were trapped together on the aware that your homeworld
Yes, sir.
Down, down,
Briefed on the
down,
plan.
down, down,
But if I
down,
didn't,
down, down,
I won't
down.
at all.
Is that
Alright,
because
let's
you
get back to the
never
movie.
again? Paragus, did you know that King Vegeta's son, Vegeta the Fourth, is still alive? Flourishing even.
His son, Prince Vegeta? Of course he would survive. Those arrogant bastards must pay. Their line should have ended.
Please allow me to lend a hand and help your vengeance come to pass. Come, Berry Blue. Show these two to their new quarters.
This is not copyright because I recorded it
New battle uniforms as well.
before you even start with that bullshit.
Hmm.
You heard me, you two?
On fighting the Saiyans this
Yeah, yeah. You thought I wouldn't come prepared? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh Jesus. Well, this is my favorite part. He almost killed that dude.
Come and eat with us, guys.
I ain't
Hey,
gonna
Broly,
spoil.
Where's your battle uniform?
No good. It's hard to move in.
It's not that bad once
Oh,
you get
God.
used to it. But do what makes you happy, I guess.
Yeah.
You should really ditch that fur around your waist, though. It's dirty. It stinks.
It stays on.
Last time you
It stays on.
Okay, I get it. That gross pelt is actually something important to you.
The fur is.
The Phyllis.
Broly, we're here to
Special.
keep Godspeed.
Seriously?
Seriously? You want to
I'd
talk?
appreciate it if you minded your own business.
I appreciate if you minded your own business.
Hey,
Hey!
you must be new, aren't you?
Alright, let me
It
shut
can't
up.
be much fun hanging out with these puny losers, though. I'm
Shut
the
the fuck
only
up.
warrior
I'm
aboard
gonna
this
beat your
ship
ass.
who's worth spending time
Don't
with.
even start.
Why don't you come sit with
I'm gonna
me,
beat your ass.
sweet
I'm dead ass.
babe? What do you
My
say?
name is Broly.
Get your
Shut the
filthy
fuck up.
hands off me. I'm not interested.
You heard
I'm a
her.
black boy.
How about I buy you a drink instead?
Stay out of this, shorty. Come on, man. I'm done asking. Stand down, Broly. Hey, what do you want?
That foot expression. I do. Damn that butt. Oh, bastard.
Are you okay? You. He's your son. How could you do that to him?
If I hadn't stopped him, he might have killed that
Them
buffoon.
packs, though.
That's your fault. You're the one who raised him to be this way.
We may be in your debt, but you don't know anything about us, woman. From now on, you don't come near my son.
Damn, bro. Expert thief. X-tier thief. Wait, speaking of freaking S-tier thief.
Like an audience.
Hey,
It would be an honor.
I know
to go right
it's a
away.
new channel. I haven't subscribed to none of my favorite YouTubers yet.
To speak to you.
Of course,
But
yes,
the
that's
first
what he wants.
YouTuber I'm gonna subscribe
I'll
to
be right back.
is Korean
Stay here and
Kitchen.
shut up.
Then,
Used to think my
then,
was free, but
I forgot. It's been a long time since I've seen them.
what's so
um,
funny?
Hold up. What's his
Here's what
name?
I think about shock treatment.
I think it start with a
By the way,
He played.
earlier.
He played. Hold up. What the fuck is his name? I keep forgetting.
Yeah, I get it. You must be thirsty.
He a dude or dreadlocks, and he played a whole bunch of games. Yeah. Fuck. What's his name?
What is this?
Huh?
Kaylin?
Water. You
No.
can't expect me to believe you've never
Hold
had
on.
water before.
Hold up. What the fuck? I didn't know I had James Charles. Oh, yeah, I've been knowing that. Just subscribe to James Charles. Y'all didn't see him.
Buzz here.
It's Buzz here.
Fur that I was asking about?
You mean the photo I was
Bob got
asking
along
about?
well back home.
Yeah.
Bob was a big animal, a giant, and more fearsome than most beasts on the mountain. I named Bob after the sound the creature would make sometimes. It was scary when he got mad, but I got over that. And I started to train by avoiding Bob's teeth. We became like friends. We became like good friends.
So this monster was the first friend you ever made?
Yeah, but my dad didn't like that one bit.
Them knees. Oh, man.
But playing
Post Malone. Limon. Canon.
Buzz here off the gun, making it angry.
And then it gotta be Vuxrex, the third. I will put him first.
After that,
But great Skenshin, though. That's just my
that's
dude.
why I decided to
You
keep
gotta
Buzz
respect
here.
it. At least you ain't in no, like, truck place.
That's more than I've ever heard you speak, Burley.
The goat. Yo, I remember the goat part. He had the goat.
You can't see.
He had the goat at the end. Hold up. Kaylin the goat?
Like all that.
No, not Kaylin the goat. Wait, is it?
If I had to guess,
Oh,
the
fuck.
bird is right
Dum,
as
dum,
well.
dum, dum,
Made you focus on becoming a warrior against your will.
Hold up. Y'all, I'm finna pause the movie and record it again.